Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to your client Facebook ad account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and you simply need to log in into your Facebook account, and then you need to select your page and go into the Meta Business Suite, and here you need to click on the settings. So here you need to click on business assets and click on add assets, and here you can click on advertising, and here you simply need to click on add account, and here you have three options. You simply need to click on request to share an ad account, so it will redirect to another page. So once you are here, you simply need to type your ad account ID. So let me paste it here, and here you can see different options: manage campaigns, view performance. So if you want to give full control, click here, but if you want to give partial control, you can select this and click on confirm. So this is the process by which you can get access to your client Facebook ad account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.